So, ang topic natin ngayon is car alarm and car immobilizer. What is car alarm? A car alarm is a device in a car which makes a loud noise if anyone tries to wake into the vehicle. Such alarms may also cause the vehicle's headlights to flash, may notify the car owner of the incident via coding system, and may interrupt one or more electrical circuit necessary for the car to start. So, yan. Ginagamit yan isang na car alarm upang ito ay ma-notify ng isang owner na kung meron bang nagnanakaw or may kumukuha na kanya sasakyan. So, yung car alarm na, isa din ito na tinasabi ng the best alternate to protect your vehicle. Definitely, there is no doubt the car alarm are an effective deterrent against theft and break-ins. This is mandatory for car manufacturers to install them upon the production of the vehicle. It's also wise to check what current level of security your car has. So, yun nga, ginagamit ng car alarm upang hindi na upang makaiwas na sa pagnanakaw, no? Upang hindi agad-agad manakaw dahil yung car alarm, kapag ginamit, kapag nakakabit sa isang kotse o sa kotse mo, once na meron dumalaw sa kotse mo, ay tutunod ito at manonotice naman ng tao at malalaman ng owner na meron gumagalaw sa kotse mo. So, meron na tayong top or reason why you need to update your car alarm. So, ano na ba ang mga ito? Number 1, anti-theft. This is why car alarm are built. A theft will always prefer to mark on easy target. When you have a high-quality car alarm system installation, the signage that the installation is specialized attached to your vehicle in the form of a sticker with a warning logo. So, ayun na, yung car alarm, isang naman na anti-theft para hindi na agad-agad manakaw ang iyong kotse. No? And next, pangalawa, protection and discovery. Manual alarms are just good for finding your car, either panic buttons frequently installed on your remote. Alarms transmitters can also be used. Should you need to stare away an attacker or alert other to your situation. So, kapag ikaw ay nag-parking and nagkaroon ng problema or nagka-emergency, kapag marami na kotse din ang parking lot, pwede mong pindutin yung button upang mahanap mo agad ang iyong sasakyan. Once na pinindot mo yung remote, is tutunod yun or mag-iingay yung alarm and manonotice mo na ayun ang sasakyan mo. And yung pangatlo naman is factory car alarm. For modern and update vehicle, standardized prepaid and factory car alarm are installed, but that's not the case for your older car model. It may be target for theft because it's less likely to have an upgraded alarm system. So, ayun nga, sinasabi na dito yung factory car alarm, hindi na katulad ng iba na upgraded na alarm na mas madali itong mapasok o makuha o madaling mabuksan ng magnanakaw ang iyong kotse dahil dito sa factory alarm system. Factory car alarm. And lastly, peace of mind. Nothing beats a peace of mind when you are away from your car. When you have a car alarm and immobilization, immobilization unit installed in your vehicle by a professional, you can you can relax knowing that highest grade technology is looking after your vehicle when you can. So, kapag meron ka ng car alarm, magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind dahil kampante ka na hindi agad mananakaw yung kotse mo dahil nandito sa device na 'to. Dahil mala dahil malalaman mo na ninanakawan or may gumagalaw sa kotse mo kapag ito ay tumunod. Once na ito ay tumunod, mano-notice ito ng mga tao sa paligid at siyempre ng owner na may gumagalaw or may nagtatanggap magnakaw ng kotse mo. So, yung next slide, ito yung video ng car alarm upang lalo nyo maunawaan.
Oh, damn it! Oh,
So, ayan. Dumako naman tayo sa immobilizer. What is car immobilizer? Car immobilizer. An immobilizer or immobilizer is an electronic security device fitted to a motor vehicle that prevents the engine from being started unless the correct transponder or smart is present. This prevents the vehicle from being hot-wired after entry has been achieved. Reduce motor vehicle theft. So, yung car immobilizer nga, isa din to sa nagpro-protekta sa inyo sa sasakyan dahil kalimit, eto, hindi mabubuksan ng, hindi agad-agad mabubuksan ng magnanakaw ang isa sa sasakyan sa sa ordinaryong susilaman. Mabubuksan mo ang lock ng iyong pintuan kapag pinindot mo ang remote. Katulad na dun sa picture na nakikita ninyo. Once na pinindot nyo yung remote dyan, ay magbubukas o hindi na malalak ang iyong sasakyan. Immobilizer function on the car. The function or use of the immobilizer is to prevent unwanted things from happening to the vehicle shoes. This system works by detecting the radio that is installed in the keyhole so that when the received radio waves does not match, it will it will not be able to turn on. So yung immobilizer, ito na ay ginagamit upang maiwasan ang mga hindi gustong mangyayari sa ating mga sasakyan. Tulad ng isang pagnanakaw at iba pa. Dumadaan na ang immobilizer system na ito kapag nadedetect o nadedetect na radio na naka-install sa keywall. No? Kapag hindi na tugma ang nasagap ng radio wave ay hindi ito gagana. So, hindi ito magpapansyon at hindi magbubukas ang iyong sasakyan. Immobilizer components. In order for the immobilizer function to work optimally, there are several important components that work together with each other. Here are some of the main components of an immobilizer that you need to know. Number 1, transmitter. Number 2, transponder. And 3, step different system. Ano nga ba ang transmitter? A transmitter is a component that serves the send radio waves with certain frequency to the control module. So, ito na yung transmitter. Siya yung nagsiserve o nagsasend ng radio waves upang makontrol na siya yung nagsasend ng radio o ng data sa computer upang makapagbigay ito ng gawain o ng gampanin upang ma-detect ng radio kung tutugma ba yung nasagap ng data or hindi. So, number 2, transponder. These components serve to receive radio wave signal that have been sent to the control module so that it can be identified. So, yung transponder naman, siya naman yung nagre-receive ng mga sinisend ng transmitter upang maibigay ito sa control module at ma-identify ito kung ito ba ay tutugma or hindi. And yung number 3, step different system. One of the components of this immobilizer is function to manage the received radio waves based on the identification of the transponder. So, ito na number 3 is siya yung nagmamanage ng nare-receive the transponder base sa mga identification of the transponders. Siya yung nagmamanage upang maibigay o maiparating sa control module kung ano na yung nasagap nilang data at kung ito na ba ay tutugma at upang ito ay bumukas or hindi. So, we have immobilizer, advantage and disadvantage. Ano nga ba ang advantage ng car immobilizer? The immobilizer system is a very useful for maintaining the safety of the car so that you can feel safer when leaving the vehicle for a long time. The function of this system will maximize if you activate the smart feature. So, yung advantage na nito, no? So, kapag na-activate mo yung smart key, is magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind na safe or hindi mananakaw ang iyong kotse. Bagamat ito ay laging ginagamit sa'yo or marami nang gumagamit ng mga Pilipino sa atin, no, na marami ng car immobilizer ang naka-install naman sa sasakyan dahil ito na ay para sa ating kaligtasan. So, ano naman disadvantage? Although it can provide more protection to the vehicle, the use of the system has drawbacks that make you need to understand it so that it is used optimally. Some of the shortcomings of the immobilizer system are that if your car is modified, it will interfere with the immobilizer system because of the system change that can interfere with the electrical system and component in it. So, yung disadvantage na nito is kapag binado mo yung iyong sasakyan ay maninibago ang car immobilizer dahil nga nabago yung sistema ng iyong sasakyan. Kaya bagamat hindi siya gagana ng maayos dahil hindi natutugma yung sistema ng nauna and yun ngayon, yung sistema ngayon na bago na pagkabago ng iyong sasakyan. Marami ng sistema ang nabago kaya hindi tutugma ang iyong sasakyan sa car immobilizer. At ito na ang isang disadvantage ng car immobilizer. Ang pagbabago ng iyong sasakyan ay hindi nakakatulong o nakakasama sa car immobilizer at ito ay pwedeng hindi gumana o hindi siya ma-activate dahil sa pagbabago ng sistema. So, meron ako ipapalabas na video upang lalo nyo may maunawaan kung ano nga ba ang car immobilizer.